In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google and Freebot to make money online. Freebot is a software that's going to turn your article into your own unique articles, but you're going to use the Google to get those free articles and you're going to make money out of from this website. That you can see, people are making 1,600, 800, 1,600, but you are not going to make entire money. You're going to share the money. Top 10% going to share between $1,000, next 15% going to share 400, and next 25% are going to share 200. So what is this website and how you can make money? I'm going to walk you through the entire stuff. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorial. I try to upload one video every day or every other day. So subscribe, like and share, and if you watch the video until the end, then you can win £10 PayPal money. The website is called mindsmo.com. Basically, the company like these ones that you can see, A1, Microsoft, Adidas, Facebook, and Coca-Cola, these companies are working with this company. Actually, these companies come and ask for the problem. They have a problem, so what they do, they submit as a task on this website, and you're gonna come here as a freelancer. You're gonna solve that problem. Basically, you're gonna find an answer for that problem. So when you register for account, I think this website work worldwide, and when you register for account, on that tab that you need to put where you from. So you need to put the country name where you from. So this website able to find the task for you. As you see, at the time, these are the tasks available, and see these are the tasks are completed, and you can see people are, who win the challenge, or who are in that top 10 or 15, 25% gonna split the money between that. You can see lots of tasks are here, but again, not all the tasks are for you, and it's specific for each countries. So when you click open this one here, as you see that I live in the UK, so I can't do this task at the moment. So unfortunately, you are not eligible to participate in that challenge. But if I go to the top of that, for number one article here, number one question, and this is available in my country because this task is specific for my country. So what they do, what they ask this problem here, they want to create a new cereal brand or cereal product for breakfast, right? So what they do, they ask a question to create a ingredient or a cereal ingredient for their product. So you can use the product must have, then you can follow these steps. They already mentioned what kind of product they want to use and what percentage of each ingredient, something like that. So all you have to do, you don't have to be a food genius to come up with that idea. All you have to do is what you do, go to Google and type how to make a breakfast cereals. These are the website they talk about their own cereal making method, right? They also leave this one is a Nestle cereal, so that's the branded. Leave that and go to the BBC one, or these are the blog posts people are writing about cereals they are making for the breakfast. What you can do, you go through each of these blog posts and find out what kind of ingredient they want from that task, and what you do, write it out on Google document. So copy and paste basic method, right? So you're going to copy those ingredients and method they are talking about. Then what you do, copy and paste it on Google document. Then you're going to use spinbot. Actually this website called spinbot.com. What you're going to do, when you put the articles here, it will rewrite that article for you. So you're going to replace some sentences and you're going to rewrite it for you, so you can avoid plagiarism from this website, guys. So at the moment, because I'm working on this task is about ingredients, there is no copyright strike, so watch it, copyright problem. So what I do, I go to this website and find the ingredients that's suitable for the cereals they are asking about, and I can write it out. If my answers are in top 10%, I'm gonna share the $1,000, or next 15% I'm gonna share 400, or next 25 I'm gonna share that's 200%, guys, right? So if you want to use a website spinbot, what you have to do, you need to go to do this kind of task. So they ask about what does the future look like in micro mobility. So this article, you need to give a positive, so what you have to see the positive micro mobility option, and what you have to see the negative micro mobility options, right? So you can write about an article. So what you have to do, go to Google and search about a micro mobility. There's lots of websites are writing about it. is about electric scooter, I think. So you can see your electric scooters. So what you can do, you have to go to this website and find the articles, copy and paste it on here, and go to spinbot and rewrite that. So basically you copy and paste the article here and it will rewrite that into unique workflow. I can show you an example. So we go to here, for example. So what we do, that we copy this first sentence. The below micro mobility came with this and something like that. So, okay, you copy that here under this sentence, copy that, go back to spinbot, paste it on here, and what you do, click I'm not a robot and click go. And what this website going to do, what this bot going to do, you're going to rewrite this sentence into unique way that you can see the bowl to micromobility, that you can see the heat to micromobility. So they're changing the sentence a little bit, so you can copy and paste it and submit to this website as your own article. Again, like I said before, you can't make money every single day because it's dependent on the country that you are from and dependent on the tasks that are available, and you have to do the task, and it's not guaranteed that you are not going to make the money because they're gonna select the first top 10, then 15 and 25, but it won't require time to do it. So you can do it in 10 to 20 minutes. Just go to Google and find articles related to the question that people are, the website are asking, the companies are asking, and solve the problem, and you can earn money, guys. So this is the one way that you can earn money, by solving problems. I hope you understand this video, guys, and if you don't like this video, leave me that write me in the comment section what kind of video you want me to see from this channels. I will make that for you. Also, if you watch the video until the end, you know the drill. Like this video, share this video, and if this video get 100 likes, I will do the 10 pound giveaway, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video.